里面唱 K， 水池里面饮龙鱼，我送阿硕茶去喝盐。
So hi, what's up people? So today for the very first time I am recording in Calcutta, in my city, and today I'm gonna show you the product for the very first time, the warehouse for the very first time. It's raining like crazy here, and the one thing that I'm most excited about is to take you behind the scenes of the entire journey that our product goes from the warehouse to the shipment to the dealers. Exactly, right now we are B2B. I guess you are aware of that watching the previous videos. So as of now on my channel, all you've seen is me traveling, whether it was in China when we were procuring stuff or when I was traveling to Greece. But now I want to bring you back to reality, and I want to show you the product and everything in action. And this is the part I'm most excited about, because this is something that I wanted to bring you to for the very long time, but things kept getting delayed. But today finally we get to show you everything. I'll show you the product specs, the latest model that we have procured that I am like really excited to talk about, and show you just everything about in between of purchasing to selling. And a little side note, I think the video I posted before the Greece one, the last China part 2 video, one thing I really wanted to mention is after I posted that video, a friend of mine reached out to me. I basically see her once a year. She's working in Seattle. She studied in AI and robotics, and I don't know the exact details, but she's doing something pretty cool. What I really like is sometimes when people that you admire and what they're doing, they actually come out and reach out to you and appreciate your work. And I'm going to put out the Instagram story she put out for me here, and you'll get to see that the appreciation that she really gave me, it's encouragement or validation like this that really makes you feel like you're on the right path. So now coming to what I promised you first thing in the morning is that I'll show you our latest new baby. This is Ice. The reason I feel like this is the most premium scooty we've built so far is because it gives a perfect futuristic plus luxurious vibe. It is very sleek. The LED is also built in a way that it does not hit the pedestrian eyes. Now coming to the specs, you know the basic specs of an EV. This is compatible with lead graphite as well as lithium-ion batteries. You can go up to 72 volts. The motor is BLDC, pretty quiet, but can still handle the city roads like a breeze. Now, coming up to the basic specs, this has a reverse, a horn, an indicator. There are 3 modes: Sport, Normal, and Eco mode. Eco is the one that you use to be able to save the battery life and increase the shell life of the battery the most. Now the boot space is also 32 liters, if you see. And the boot space is also 32 liters deep, if you can see this properly. Now coming up to the colors of the models. So our brand is mostly known for our colors. That is our main USP. Right now I'm going to show you 3 colors that I love the most. This is maroon. We have something in a little bit of a turquoise plus teal color, and also orange. There are 2 more colors. There is blue as well as copper. Copper is the one that I like the most because I like lighter colors more. And yeah, so on top of that, coming to the suspension, this has a dual suspension with a shock absorber at the end in the rear, and there is the footrest. This is the cutest part of the scooty, okay? So I like the footrest because it's inbuilt and it comes out like this, and you can basically see it. And the lights are placed in such a sleek manner that it gives a very aesthetic look. If this is something that you want to go for in today's generation, because I think most of the people want to go for a Ather Ola look, and this is something that falls in that category but has a budget that is pocket friendly as well. And yeah, that's it. I hope you like the model. Let me know in the comments what you actually think about the product and would you buy it. There is a disc and a drum brake, and it's a 10-inch alloy wheel. So now to show you the demo of the scooty when the battery is inside, you see the LED light here, the way it looks, and it only reflects like downstairs and not at like any pedestrian eye level whatsoever. This is where the indicators are. Now coming at the back, if you see the light that I was talking about, this is how it looks from the behind, and if you see, the back light is also very, like I really like the entire light process of it. This is what the scooty actually looks like. This is why I feel like it gives a very futuristic look. This is the digital dashboard, and I can switch on the anti-theft alarm right now, but it will make a lot of noise. The keys, lock it, and then you basically drag it here. Can you hear the anti-theft alarm? This is the volume of noise which I hate, but this is the anti-theft alarm we have.
How you go say you boss if you don't handle biz? Real men stay on 10, take care of their kids. You boys talking too much, it's time to show them ends. I did shows around the globe and never took a cent. That might have went over your head, that might have went over your head. I be thinking different. I bought real estate before I went and bought the Bent. I had 10 toes when you was in your
So guys, to give you a little update, right now we are in the warehouse. This is the warehouse that we are currently in, to take you through the basic day-to-day chores in the business. The reason I am in the warehouse today is because Dad is in China. The reason Dad is in China is because right now we are hitting the peak season in India for any kind of product really, but also especially in our industry, and we did not anticipate the amount of demand for the product that has come this year, and Dad has gone to make ends meet. And while that is a very good phase for a lot of people to face in a business, we don't like to leave money on the table, and that is why he's gone to make sure that the supply chain is as smooth as possible. And this is my advice for anyone who's either entering the family business or is in the family business. I would really want you to experience entering the company or being in the company while it's experiencing its growth phase, because the amount of things you end up learning is just astounding. The pace at which you learn and implement things is also astounding, because you are able to pick up a lot of things and change a lot of things fast. Momentum, especially in a family business, is very difficult. So guys, now we are heading back to the office. Today was a good visit to the warehouse. It was efficient. We were able to do a lot of work. We were able to look after the entire process of shipment, product assembling, any problems at the product, like basically people who are assembling and doing PDI, that is pre-delivery inspection. Whatever they were facing, they were telling me, and we solved a lot of problems. Dad is in China, so a lot of problems were solved because I was able to mention things to him. Other than that, we'll take you next week to our first hero film shoot. It's a behind the scenes video, which is something I'm really excited about, because I'm from a marketing background and this is something that I've envisioned for the longest time. So stay tuned for that, and I'll see you in the next one.
How you go say you boss if you don't